What types of felonies prohibit a person from owning a gun?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important subject in relation to the legal system and personal rights. That's right, it's all about the specific types of felonies that can lead to the prohibition of gun ownership. Understanding the intricacies of these laws is important for both gun owners and those who aspire to become one. So let's delve into it and identify the felonies that can bar a person from owning a gun.
What is a felony?
Before we dive into specifics, it's essential to understand what we mean by felony. A felony is a serious crime in the U.S. which is often punishable by more than a year in prison. Felonies include crimes like murder, rape, arson, and burglary, among others. The key thing to remember here is that any felony conviction can potentially lead to the prohibition of gun ownership.
Which felonies specifically prohibit gun ownership?
Now onto the meat of our discussion. Which felonies exactly lead to this prohibition? The Gun Control Act, GCA, of 1968 prohibits certain individuals from owning, purchasing, or using firearms. According to the GCA, anyone who has been convicted of a crime punishable by more than a year in prison, whether they actually served that time or not, is barred from owning a firearm. This essentially means that all felonies fall under this category. However, it's crucial to note that the ban isn't only limited to felonies. Some misdemeanors, such as domestic violence, also fall under this restriction.
Are there any exceptions?
The question that naturally arises is, are there any exceptions to this rule? The answer is yes, there are. In some cases, a person's firearm rights can be restored. This often involves a complex legal process, usually including having the conviction expunged, set aside, or a person being pardoned. However, this is a complex process and is usually dependent on both federal and state laws. So, if you've been convicted of a felony and are seeking to have your firearm rights restored, it's crucial to consult with a legal expert. Thank you all for joining us in this discussion about felonies that prohibit gun ownership. Remember, while owning a firearm is a constitutional right in the U.S., it's also subject to certain restrictions. It's always essential to be aware of your rights and responsibilities under the law. We hope this video has been helpful in providing clarity on this subject. Stay informed, stay safe, and until next time.